Today I'll take you on a fast ride with my Yamaha TMAX. We are heading north on C5 to the Daranak Falls in Tanay. There is always traffic driving along Marikina and Antipolo. And I want to show you how to deal with that. Driving here is different to what I'm used to in my home country, Germany. It feels a bit like a computer game, with the difference that here you have only one life. Every second you have to decide on which side you can overtake. And sometimes you have to drive on the opposite lane, especially with a big bike. There is often no space between the cars. You always have to observe the traffic and estimate where the flow goes. With a motorcycle you cannot drive just on one lane, like in other countries. Bad roads and thick metal plates don't make the road safer. We reached Tanay. The roads are better and more lanes. Here's more fun to ride. We are getting closer to the falls. That's already the Daranak Falls road. And that's where we aim to, the Daranak Falls. Google Maps estimates 2 hours. I made it in 1.5. See how life is here, really relaxing. There are many places to chill out. And many places to enjoy the waters, many ponds all around. Everywhere people relax and eat. It's such a peaceful atmosphere here. This is the main fall and you can do cliff diving. We are back on the road with nice afternoon sun. Oops, poles in the middle of the lane. Seems we are now in the home run traffic. These wide roads are really amazing. But watch out the poles. They didn't move them when they widened the road. And again, the opposite lane saves a lot time. But you are not the only one who has this idea. Closer to the city, the roads get worse as well as the traffic. But with a motorcycle, there is always a way. At traffic lights, always try to be in the pole position and speed up. We are back on C5, soon touchdown at home in BGC. Just some slaloms left. I hope you enjoyed my ride to the Daranak Falls in Tanay with my yellow BMAX.